Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Argo Academic Care. I'm here with the model answer of 7th week English version, Islam and Moral Education assignment of class 7. So let's see the question at first. One thing to say, subscribe our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Click on the bell button if you don't want to miss any update. So this is your assignment. Suppose you are a student of level 7. Every day you go to the mosque and pray in congregation. In congregation means jamate. Namaz aday korake bola hoy congregation. Describe how you will perform the prayer in the following situations. Describe any tree. Here are 4 questions, but you have to describe any 3 of them. Number 1, COVID-19 circumstances following health protocols. Number 2, if 1 or 2 rakats of prayer are masbuk. Number 3, Maghrib, Isha and Fajr while traveling. I mean musafir অবস্থায় তুমি Maghrib, Isha এবং Fajr প্রেয়ারটা কিভাবে প্রে করবে. Then number 4, prayer in case of illness. Okay, this is the question answer number 1. Number 1 question যেটা ছিল যে COVID-19 সিচুয়েশনে তুমি কিভাবে হেলথ প্রোটোকল ফলো করে সালাত পারফর্ম করবে. Salat is obligatory worship. We should pray with Jamaat. But in the current epidemic, we should follow the rules of hygiene. COVID-19 in the situation of following the rules of hygiene to perform. The prayers in Jamaat is described below. You have to go to wearing a mask. Number 2, everyone should perform ablution from their respective homes. Number 3, at least 3 feet of social distance should be maintained in the mosque. If it's possible, then prayer should be performed leaving 1 row empty. Then you should go with Jai Namaz. Then hats, Jai Namaz, etc. reserved in the mosque cannot be used. Okay, second number question chilo if 1 or 2 rakats of prayer are masbuk. Jodi tomar 1 অথবা 2 রাকাত নামাজ মাসবুক হয় সেক্ষেত্রে তুমি কি করবে? তো সেক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে আগে প্রথমে মাসবুকের সালাতটা কি সেটা ডেসক্রাইব করতে হবে. He who has already missed 1 or more rakats in the salat and performs in the rest of the salat with the imam in the jamaat is called masbuk. If someone misses 1 rakat or 2 rakat, the rules will vary. These are described below. If someone misses 1 rakat, he will stand up as soon as the imam makes his salam and perform 1 rakat salat alone as usual. If someone misses 2 rakat after the imam makes salam, he will stand up and complete the 2 rakat. For example, the 2 rakat Fajr salat of Fajr prayer is performed. Number 3 question ছিল Maghrib, Isha and Fajr while traveling. মানে মুসাফির অবস্থায় তুমি মাগরিব, এশা এবং ফজর নামাজটা কিভাবে পারফর্ম করবে. তো সেই ক্ষেত্রে তোমাকে কি সালাত অফ মুসাফিরের যে বর্ণনাটা সেটা দিতে হবে, ডেসক্রাইব করতে হবে. মুসাফির ইজ অ্যান অ্যারাবিক ওয়ার্ড. ইট মিনস ট্রাভেলার. In Islamic term, when a person intends to travel a place which is at least 48 miles away from his home is called a musafir. In the Islamic Sharia, a musafir is allowed to shorten his prayer. This shortening of prayer is called qasr in Arabic. When one becomes a musafir, he or she has to perform the Fajr salat, Zuhur, Asr and Isha prayer as qasr. Allah said, when you travel home and abroad, there will be no sin if you shorten your prayer. Now the rules to perform the salat for the musafir. মুসাফির অবস্থায় কিভাবে সালাত পারফর্ম করবে সেগুলো আমরা এখন জানবো, মানে describe করব A musafir will shorten the 4 rakat first salat to 2 rakats. The Fajr, Maghrib and Witr prayer has no qasr. One has to pray this in full. We should gladly accept all the advantages given by Allah. So, if a musafir willingly performs the first salat of Zuhr as Asr or Isha prayer, he or she will be the sinner for not accepting the advantage given by Allah. But if the Imam is Mukim means permanent, then the musafir will follow the Imam and perform the salat completely. Traveling is very tiring, so Allah has permitted His servants to shorten their salat. Number 4 question ছিল prayer in case of illness, মানে অসুস্থ থাকা অবস্থায় কিভাবে prayer perform করতে হবে. So number 4, salat for the sick. Islam has approved an easy rule for the sick or disabled people to perform their salat when they cannot say their prayer as usual. The salat which is performed following the easy way is called the salat for the sick. The rule to perform salat by the sick. It is obligatory for a sick person to perform his salat when he is in sense. Unless he is completely disabled, he cannot leave the salat regardless of the severity of the disease. If he is utterly unable to stand up for the prayer, he is to offer the prayer is sitting with ruku and shizda. If he is still unable to perform ruku and shizda, he will perform the salat by making symbolic signs. While saying the prayer using the symbolic signs, he has to bend the head a little in ruku and a little more in shizda. যাতে করে বোঝা যায় যে সে আসলে রুকুতে যাচ্ছে বা আরেকটু যখন সিজদা যাবে যেন আরেকটু মাথাটা যেন বেশি বেন্ড করে. He has to use the symbolic signs using the head. His salat will not be granted if he makes the symbolic signs only with the eyes. The sick person has to sit as which teaches people to get together once a week and to obey the leader's instruction. So that's all about your assignment. One thing I want to say again, if you haven't subscribed our channel, then please click on the bell button if you don't want to miss any update.